blueprint is written in the ancient ink. Before you take a step, man, you gotta stop and think. We're all architects building on a shifting sand, with a heavy deck of cards dealt in every hand. You see the prince, he's climbing up a golden stair, but if he lacks the soul, then there's nothing there. And the commoner, he's walking through the dust and grime, but with a heart of gold, he's the one who's gonna shine. It's the law of the harvest, you reap what you sow. If you plant a little hate, watch the bitterness grow. No shortcuts, no cheats, no get out of jail cards. It's the spirit in your chest and the work in the yard. We're all making tools, yeah, we're shaping the stone, carving out a legacy that we can call our own. So keep your vision clear and your spirit on the track, cause once you write that page, oh, you can't go back. See the angels fall from the sky, know the sun will be with us for a while. Won't common people like you and me, we'll build this for eternity. Keep us feeling back of two shapes of us and the book of rules.